alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Dogecoin update today. Please Doge, keep pumping. I don't want you to stop, right? I'm enjoying. I don't really give a damn right now about correction, retracement, even though I feel like I won't be surprised that a correction comes up and we see, bonk, sorry, not bonk, but Dogecoin come down and retest and then finally go up. Could happen. We still have an untouched liquidity here down at 0.16. But yes, bull run is bull run. If it doesn't want to happen, who cares, right? As long as we're pumping, I'm good. I don't have any issues at all, but it's just a part of my responsibility to tell you that we are still at an overbought department. Now, at this point of time, there's this one little bit of a pattern you're creating, and that is a continuation ascending triangles on the 15 minutes time frame. So I'm going to take the trend line here and drop in the trend line just like that, and also drop in another little bit of a trend line just like that you're about to make. Now this is another continuation pattern, which is almost like an ascending triangle, but until the maximum time we're going to see this is 20, and we're at 5 right now. So in the next 4 hours from the time that I'm recording the video, we're going to probably see a pop down, right, and come down to 0.24, or a pop up and actually continue even higher, right? That's where I'm looking for Pepe to do. And the higher you go is just to take on the trend line top to bottom, and we could actually see that Dogecoin can make it all the way up to 0.36. So these are two targets. Number one, pop to the upside, you have yourself a 0.36, and or pop to the downside, you come to where the triangle really is, and that is going to be 0.24. Which direction is it going to take? Well, in 3 hours we're going to get to know. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.